Hey guys, this is Cody Johnson with Rearview Broker, and today I'm going to be doing an interior walkthrough on this 2019 Winnebago Sunstar 32YE. I did do an outside walkthrough, and if you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. So let's get started. Alrighty, well, first thing that you'll see on the left hand side as you walk in will be your battery disconnect switch, your awning out and in, because it's got an automatic awning. It does have an awning light. In this cabinet right here, you have your main breakers and your 12-volt circuit breakers. Coming to the front of the unit, this is sitting on a Ford chassis, a V10 Triton. You do have your automatic leveling jack system to the left of the steering wheel right there. You do have backup camera and side cameras on this unit. I do currently have the generator running. Here is your kitchen setup. Plenty of storage. You do have a oven and 3-burner stovetop. You do have a microwave. Above the driver's seat and the passenger seat, you do have a drop-down bunk. It is electric. Pull-out sofa mixed into a mattress. Cabinets above. You do have MCD shades all around. 4-door refrigerator. It is a 2-way refrigerator. This does make into another sleeping section. Flat screen TV. Over here you have your thermostat. This unit does have 2 ACs, both ducted. Generator has 120 hours on it. Slide controls. As you can see, this has a Max Air Mini, and it also has one more as well. Here is your shower. And right across from that, you do have your bathroom. Here's your sink, cabinets, and toilet. In the main bedroom, you have cabinetry, outlets on both sides, flat screen TV, and plenty of closet space. Linoleum floors. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out the outside. See ya.